Hi, I am demoing my MLB database project. Here we go. So, starting here at the home page, we have this image of all the baseball teams, and we have three options: player statistics, standings, and rosters. We'll start with player statistics. We can search up any active player. Let's say we want Paul Skeens. We'll do his pitching stats. We can do hitting, pitching, or fielding stats for anyone, and career or season stats for anyone. So we submit. So here we have Paul Skeens. This changes for each player name. This changes for each player name, and this changes based on if you chose hitting, pitching, or fielding stats. It shows the jersey of the team or the player jersey right here for their team, and then name, team, bats, and throws. That shows up on everyone, and games played also shows up on anyone. But these last four options they change based on if you choose pitching, hitting, or fielding stats, and it shows the stats on the right here underlined. So we're gonna go to standings now. We can choose American League, National League, or both leagues. We can choose the year, and only goes back to 1994 before throwing errors because of the API that I used here. So we have, so what it does is it organizes every league, or I'm sorry, not every league, every division into rank, name, wins, losses, and games back. And then finally we have rosters. We can choose any team. Let's go, for example, with the Red Sox. Go all the way back to like 1903. This should work if the Red Sox were available back then, which they are. This shows the number, position, and name. The number doesn't work for older players, but if we do for this year's team, there, it shows numbers. So that's the whole program.